Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, October 17th. Time is around 5:30 GMT and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform. So here in the Dow Jones, we were looking at two scenarios. A scenario where the low was in here and that we would start an impulse from here, and a scenario where we would see another move down here as a fifth wave to finish this wave C. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. For now, I only consider this part right here. And so I told you we would analyze this here to decide what exactly it would become. And we were actually waiting for this fifth swing here. And so we got this fifth swing. So we were here in the situation that we had three swings up, 1, 2, 3. We came down into wave 4 area. We also reacted from wave 4 area, and we have now this fifth swing. But to be honest, I don't think this is or this is the fifth swing. Of course, this is a fifth swing, but I don't think this here is an impulse. If I analyze also behavior in RSI, it looks more that we are moving corrective here. This does not really look for me as impulsive behavior. If I also consider the RSI, like this is ending here way too strong. It simply looks like we are starting a new cycle from here, and so this part has actually nothing to do anymore with this part. So these are two different cycles. And then that would actually mean that we have some kind of corrective structure right here. If we have corrective structure, then it actually becomes unlikely that we hold this upper boundary of the wave 4 area here in red. I think it is corrective, but this scenario here in the higher time frame will be violated. I will update my charts as soon as we take it out right here, this upper boundary. But what I would expect in the higher time frame is actually, so here we are now looking at the 4-hour, is actually a corrective move like this. So from here down as A, B, C, and then this here would be a wave W, then here some kind of wave X up, and then again down in 3, 1, 2, 3. So that would mean that we will see more upside. I think we will see more upside, but not as an impulse. So I don't think this here is the start of an in this case a wave 3 up. I just think we will see more upside, but corrective upside, and eventually we will take out this low in another 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3. So this is how I think it will evolve. This is not shown yet on my Elliott Wave count, because this scenario here in red is actually not yet invalidated. But yeah, just based on what I see, the price action here, the RSI action here, I start to believe we are in this kind of scenario: A, B, C, wave W, wave X up, and then again 3 waves down, A, B, C. That this is the corrective move that we will do. And so then on the lower time frame, it means that so I see this here as 3 waves, part of one cycle. So then we have A, B, C like this. So then this should be a wave W. wave X down. This is also a nice corrective. Wave X, 1, 2, 3, 3 waves. And so now we are probably doing again an A, B, C structure here as a wave Y. So my primary scenario will now be indicated in red, actually not in green. I will switch later. Much will depend here. If we hold this low, then yeah, then I'm quite sure that we are having something corrective here. Then yeah, then I would say yeah, ABC structure as a wave Y, and then the wave A, yeah, might be finished here, but we could also see like one more high here with divergence, one more high, then coming down as a wave B, and then up again as a wave C to do this wave Y. And yeah, I know the impulse scenario is still on my chart here, although I do not really believe in it anymore unless we take out this low here. Then yeah, then we could indeed have the impulsive scenario here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm mainly looking at this low. If it holds, yeah, then I think we are doing the corrective structure here as indicated in red. But then it will probably not be a wave 4 anymore. It will be the wave X I talked about in the higher time frame. And if we would break this low, then yeah, then we have to focus again on the impulsive scenario here. But I think it's unlikely. This being an impulse, it simply looks like we started a new cycle from here, and this has nothing to do anymore with this structure. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.